Let's make oats in a mug 2 ways. For the vanilla and berry oats, here's what you'll need. Begin by placing half of your oats in a food processor along with your protein powder. For a cakier texture, blend all of your oats. The end mixture should look like this. In a large mug, mix in the rest of your oats, the oat mixture, salt, almond milk, applesauce, and baking powder. Your mug should be filled 1/2 to 3/4 of the way full. The mug I chose is too small and is going to overflow in the microwave. When all of the ingredients are in the mug, with exception to the berries, give it a mix. Then, when your mixture is about 3/4 of the way mixed, add in your berries so that they don't get too squashed in the process of mixing. I am using a handful of blueberries and strawberries, but you can use any kind of berries you have. When the oats are ready, place them in the microwave and cook for about 2 minutes. This will vary depending on the microwave. When ready, your oats should look like this. Top with some extra berries and enjoy. The second oat variation is chocolate almond butter. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Similar to the first version, in a food processor, add in half of your oats, cocoa powder, chocolate protein powder, and 1/4 of a banana. And again, if you're trying to achieve a cakier texture, add in all of your oats. The mixture will now look like this. In a mug, add in the oat mixture we just made, the rest of your oats, almond milk, salt, almond butter, and baking powder. At this point, you could also add in some chocolate chips if desired. When all of your ingredients are in your mug, mix your oats together until fully combined. If your oats seem to be too dry, add in an extra splash of almond milk. This is what your mug should look like when it's ready to go in the microwave. Cook your oats for about 2 minutes, which may vary depending on your microwave. When fully baked, your oats will look like this. Add in extra almond butter on top and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and comment down below your favorite flavor variation.